Hello everyone, I am Rupali Meshram. Today we are going to see Standard 3rd, Chapter number 3, Animal Shelters. Can you tell? Just have a look on these two pictures. Yes, now we are going to discuss the questions which is given below. The cat is lying in wait for someone. Who is that? If you will see the first picture, this one, you can see a mouse and a cat. From this picture, we can come to know that the cat is lying in wait for the mouse that has taken shelter in the hole. Let's see the next question. What has frightened the crows? Why are they trying to frighten the cat away? This is the next picture. You can see here. Here, the crow is frightened as the cat is coming near the tree. You can see in this picture. There is a nest of crow on the tree in which its egg and nestlings are there. Mother crow is trying to care of its young ones. Father crow is trying to shoo away the cat so that it should not attack their eggs or young ones. Other crows have also joined him and they are trying to frighten the cat away. Next, can you tell what do birds use to build their nest? So as we know, birds use cotton wool, grass, sticks, threads, pieces of strings and similar things for building their nest. Which animals live in burrows? Snakes, rabbits, bandicoots, rats and mice live in burrows. Burrows means hole, which is made by animals. Where do the hens we keep live? Who builds their shelter? We can see here. Hens we keep live in coop or hen house. The person who owns the hens build the coop for them. It means that hens by themselves they do not prepare their own house. Why do we need houses? Let's see, why do we need houses? Very cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rains can cause us great discomfort. We live in houses to protect ourselves from them. A house also protects us from thefts. Yes. We need shelter. The house gives us shelter to protect us from weather, gusty winds, that is strong winds, scorching sun and from the heavy sunlight, and to protect us from rain and also from the theft. Some people live very close to forest. They have to face the threat of wild animals. A house protects them from the wild animals too. Yes, some people they live near the forest areas. So as to protect them from animals, the house helps them. It means that we can come to know that house protect us from wild animals and also from the natural calamity. Like us, do animals also need shelter? Some animals do. They build their shelters for themselves. Some other animals find shelter in safe places in the environment. Yes, as the human beings, each and every animal they need shelter. Without shelter it is the important part, that is the need of all living things. It means that animals need shelter. Human beings, they need shelter. They build shelters for themselves. Some other animals find shelter in safe places in the environment. Yes, Like a tiger, it takes shelter in the caves. Birds, they build their nest and they take shelter in that nest. Mouse, it makes hole in the walls or in the ground and it protects himself from the natural calamities. A new term which is that given here, shelter, a safe place where one is protecting from any danger, a place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. It means that shelter means where we can hide ourselves, where we can feel ourselves safe. We can protect ourselves from danger. That is only known as shelter. Like our house, any shade, school building, any office, that is our shelter. But where we feel safe at our house. Animals who build shelters for themselves. You must have seen birds' nest. Nests are shelters that birds build. Yes, the shelter which the birds build, that is their nest. Birds live in nest. Birds are afraid of animals that eat eggs. So, they need a safe place to lay their eggs. Yes, as the birds, they have the fear that the other animals which eat eggs, they can eat their eggs, due to which they build their nest on the trees so that they can save their egg. Baby birds come out of the eggs. There are animals that eat these young birds, the young, to feed. These are animals that eat these young birds. The young birds are too weak to defend themselves. The nest keeps the young ones safe. Yes, so that in this situation the baby birds, they come out of the eggs, so that there are animals that eat the young birds and the eggs, so that as the babies or the birds young ones are very small, so that they cannot fight with that animal or they cannot protect themselves from that animal. So the nest, it protects or it feels the young ones as a safe in the nest. That is why birds build nest. They use things like grass, straw and twigs to build nest. Yes, what the animals they use? As the birds, they use the grass, straw, the twigs of the and other materials, cotton, this type of materials the birds use to build their nest. They may even use cotton wool and piece of thread and string. This makes the nest soft and warm inside. Yes, the cotton which is used in the nest, it can protect the piece of thread and the wool. It protects the eggs and also it feels soft to the young ones and also a warm feeling they can get from the wool. But the nest of all birds are not all alike. Yes, each and every bird, its nest is different. Maybe in environment you had observed the sparrow, its nest is different. Crow, its nest is different. Eagle, its nest is different. It means that each bird is having a different nest. Birds choose convenient place to build nest. Look at the weaver bird. It chooses a thorny tree which has some branches hanging over water. It builds its nest on the highest of these branches. Animals that eat eggs find it difficult to reach their nest. Yes, you can see this type of hanging nest is built by a bird so that it can protect its egg from the animals. And the animals which eat egg, they cannot reach that place easily. The tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. It selects a plant with bigger leaves and builds its nest by stitching the leaves together. It uses a fine tendril to stitch them together. This little nest is big enough for the little tailor birds. Yes, so as a tailor bird, it is little bit small from the sparrow. Here you can see the picture they had given. This is the tailor bird, and this is the nest, which is with the help of 2 leaves or many leaves. It can stitch and it can build its nest in the leaves, so that it can protect the eggs and the young ones in this nest. Some insects also build their own shelters. For example, honeybees build their honeycombs on trees or under the roof of an overhanging cliff. So yes, you can see here, this is the comb of honey, means house of honeybees. So that some insects, they build their nest. So as honeycomb, where we can see the honeycombs are seen on the trees and on the roofs of buildings or houses. Rats and mice live underground in fields. They dig into the soil and makes holes and burrows to live in. Yes, what the rats and mice do? They make holes in the walls or under the ground so that they can hide themselves near that area. Rats and mice also live in areas where people live. They make holes in the walls or under the floors in houses. They mostly take shelter in mud houses and not in those built with cement. Yes, this is the fact that the mice and the rats, they take shelter in the houses where the mud is used. The mud houses are the main places where the rats and mice can be seen. They cannot make hole in the cement houses. That is because they cannot dig holes into cement construction. Okay, this much the remaining part we are going to see in the next period. Let's revise what we had studied today. The 3rd chapter we had started, that is animal shelters. In that we had seen need of our house, we need shelter. The houses gives us shelter. House protects us from cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, and also the heavy rains and from the thefts and wild animals. That we had seen in this first page. In second page we had seen animals that build shelters for themselves. In that we had seen animals also need shelter to stay. As like human beings, some animals build shelters for themselves while some find shelter in the safe places in their surrounding environment. Means wherever the environment they find their shelter. Some take shelter in caves, some build shelter in trees or on the roofs of the buildings. Birds build nests in which the eggs and young ones are safe. That we have seen in this content. Birds build nests in which their birds can feel safe, and the animals which eat egg, they cannot reach the nest easily. Like this, the nests are built in the at the high or the top level of the tree. Honeybees build honeycombs at different places. Rats and mice dig and make holes and burrows in the ground. These were the points which we had discussed today. The remaining part, the animals that find ready shelters in the surroundings, we are going to see in the next period. That's all for today. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for my latest notification.